What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm going to be doing an update on NIO stock.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news that might drive the price of this company. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you what should we expect next. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this point and my main assumption was that we completed all 5 waves from this bottom to this top, and this was the double top pattern, and most likely we should land somewhere lower and we can accumulate our position at the ranges of 0.382, 0.5 and the golden pocket range. But instead of this, we bounced back from this range of support, and it is the confluence of this previous swing high and this price action that we had previously. And as you can see, from this point we went higher, hit another range of resistance, barely broke it to the upside and went lower. So I have to say that I missed this short-term movement, but it is totally okay for traders because you didn't lose any money. And the most important part that as a medium-term traders we had our entry point at the ranges from $14.4 to $14.9, and from this range we are still up to the current price for more than 26%. And our main target is right here at this previous swing high with the potential profits of roughly 64%. And definitely this movement to the upside was quite unexpected because we also had a bearish divergence right here. We had consistently lower highs on RSI with the higher highs on the price action, and definitely nothing is set in stone in trading. That's why we have to be cautious, and our main goal is to protect our capital and make profits that are above the average on the market. So, and let's continue with the news. What was the reason of this movement to the upside with the decrease for more than 7% during just one session? And definitely it is the earnings report. NIO just published their earnings report, and this movement was the anticipation of the results, and this movement was the results and guidance themselves. So let me show you the results. NIO non-GAAP earnings per share of negative 13 cents beat by 3 cents. Revenue of $1.56 billion beats by $80 million. And by itself it is quite good numbers because they have increased, let me show it to you. Deliveries of vehicles were 25,768 in the quarter, including 4,341 ES8s, 13,620 ES6s, 7,644 EC6s, and 163 ET7s, representing an increase of 28.5% year over year and an increase of 2.9% quarter over quarter. And Q2 outlook, deliveries of vehicles to be between 23 and 25,000 vehicles, representing an increase of approximately 5 to 14.2% year over year. Total revenues to be between $1.47 billion and $1.59 billion, representing an increase of approximately 10.6% and 19.4% year over year. But consensus expectations for Q2 revenue is $1.79 billion, representing year over year growth of 37.4%. So definitely they reduced their targets, and right now they delivered more than 25,000 vehicles, and next quarter will be less than 25,000 vehicles. And that is why, let me show you this article, and let me show you first of all what did Mr. William Bin Li say. And he said, despite the volatilities of the supply chain and the challenges in vehicle delivery resulting from the recent COVID-19 resurgence, we witnessed robust demand for our complementary products and achieved an all-time high order inflow in May 2022. And definitely, this is a very bullish statement. And let me quote you this. Management added that the company has been working closely with supply chain partners to ramp up the production capacity from a standing start after significant production shutdowns. However, as lockdowns hit both April and May, the slowdown for the second quarter came up short of estimates despite least stated efforts. The company expects to deliver between 23 and 25,000 vehicles, suggesting a sequential decline, after delivering only 5,074 and 7,024 vehicles in April and May, respectively. This forecast might even prove ambitious. Concerns on both deliveries and revenue have only been added to as China refuses to abandon zero-COVID strategies in NIO's home city of Shanghai. Indeed, the government is reportedly locking down specific districts in order to snuff out cases, presenting the possibility that the slowdowns seen in April and May could well return for the automaker. And definitely, because of this news, and this news might be very bearish on NIO, and with their weak forecast of 23 to 25,000 vehicles that they should deliver in Q2, we have this decrease in price. And in my opinion, it is only the beginning, because today on 8:30 p.m. we will see the inflation rates, and definitely these numbers are not so impressive, and basically they are not bullish at all. And this means in upcoming sessions we might see further sell-off for the entire market. That's why we have to be very cautious with our price action, and I have to say that for now technically we have a lot of signs of bearish pressure. On top of this news, let me show you some bullish news. On cnvpost.com we have this article that is titled "Cayenne Securities initiates coverage on NIO with outperform rating, says new models will drive sales growth." And the subtitle is "The analyst expects NIO to deliver 140,000, 200,000 and 270,000 units from 2022 to 2024 respectively." And I have to say that this forecast horizon is, as you can see, is for 3 years. And definitely, if you want to follow this forecast, you have to know that your investment horizon should also be longer than 12 months period. And I will put all the links on these articles in the description below, you can read it by yourself. And let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, right here, as you can see, I thought we have a truncated fifth wave, but right now I'm pretty sure that the top of our fifth wave is right here, because internally we have this is our first wave, second, third, fourth and fifth. And let me downgrade this scale. And these 5 waves implies only one wave on a slightly bigger scale. And because of this price action, we complete all 5 waves from this bottom to this top. And this means we might have a retracement. And to project where we might land, we have to pull the Fibonacci retracement tool from the bottom to the very top. And we have following levels. Again, we have the confluence with our previous range of support and resistance, and it is the price point of roughly $18.07. Next one, we have 0.5 at $17.3 and 0.65, 0.618. The golden pocket range, it is the range in between $16.34 and $16.54. So definitely we might land at these ranges, and if you want to enter your position and if you want to catch the next movement to the upside, you can accumulate on these levels. But if you entered your position right here, and on my previous video I've told you that you can put your stop loss in the green territory, and you might be somewhere at these ranges from 15.5 to 16.5 probably. This means you are still in green, and your price target is still right here, and it is about 64% of upside potential, as I already mentioned. So I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants, so you better go